All right, let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. All right, what up, everyone? Stonk Squeezer, Ken, and Bobby Jenkins. What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here. Excuse me. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone as always. Riot, squeeze signal, Bitcoin breaking major falling resistance, might see bull run begin. Hey, I sure hope so. I'm holding the crypto bag. Well, I'm still up, but you know, I did lose a lot from the high, so I sure hope so. Nice bull run today. Yeah, epic bull run today. Crazy bull run today. But hey, even as a rainbow bear, I did pretty good today, so not complaining. We'll get to that in a second. Time to load Bitcoin before crypto weekend. Again, well, it's time to get, not financial advice, but it's a good time to load crypto in general. You know, time to buy the dip. But this weekend, sure, why not? It's never, now, you know, is a good time to buy crypto. Not just for the weekend. Gotta fix my, mic here, hold up. All over the place today. Alright, we're good. Alright, cool. What up, LaRoller? What's up? My Dogecoin is pumping? Yeah, it's still pumping. I'm surprised. So I'm also making money there, but honestly, I'm pretty surprised. But hey, it's certainly not complaining. Thanks for being here, dude. It's cold in New York. Yeah, it is pretty cold today. Yeah, it's like 50 degrees, so it's not like terrible, but yeah, I don't like the cold. All right, guys. So thanks everyone for being here. So today is Friday, October 28th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. Money. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. Even myself, as a master rainbow bear, made some money today. Not as much as I would have liked. I was doing pretty good, but we'll get to that in a second. But yes, I did make tendies today as a rainbow bear. And this whole week has been pretty good. I think the past 2 weeks or something, we finished in the green. And I've been eating as a rainbow bear, so you know everyone gets tendies here. Hope the bulls make tendies, and hope all the bears make tendies as well. Plenty to get for everyone. Powerball jackpot increased to $825 million in tomorrow's drawing. Okay, it's getting up there. If it hits $1 billion, I'll play. Why not? What up, Koya? What's up, bro? What is this market? There is no reason for this bull run. Yeah, you know, who knows? My best guess would be that a lot of institutions are predicting a pivot, a Fed pivot. Personally, which is supposed to happen next week, right? When's the next time the Fed is meeting? November 2nd? It's early November, I know that. So they're gonna meet very soon, and I think the market is predicting a pivot. So we'll see what happens. But then if there's no pivot, this is gonna go so good. So I think now would be the time to load up on options. I'm not gonna say puts or calls, but one of them is gonna print. So I think it's anticipation for next week. A lot of bulls think there's gonna be a pivot, but hey, who knows? That's just my best prediction. Anyone making money? QNGY. I did see that run a lot today, so I didn't go for it, but I think you did, Ken, right? I saw on Discord. You guys are pretty active on Discord today, but I was busy, so I couldn't really chat. But I think you made money there, so I didn't go for it, but congrats to you, dude. Okay. So please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, so great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we got 5 articles, nothing too serious. But we have one about Binance and Twitter. Binance is helping Twitter out. Pretty interesting. We'll get to that. One about Lugano. and El Salvador. I think Lugano is a city in Switzerland. Don't quote me on that, but it's yeah, Lugano and El Salvador forming a crypto partnership. We'll get to that. What about Fry's DAO? They got hacked. We'll get to that. Small hack there. I guess the most relevant news would be recent home sales, or the lack thereof, I should say. And last article about Paul Pelosi. Paul Pelosi, the husband of Nancy Pelosi, Speaker of the House. So I think someone broke into their home and he got assaulted or something. He got attacked. So pretty crazy stuff. But yes, 5 articles today. And then for the TA today, we're going to do Amazon, AMZN. Got wrecked yesterday, aftermarket. So today we're coming with a full TA. Shouldn't take too long. Not too many. Got my notes right here. Well, actually, I don't know, because there are a lot of upgrades or downgrades. But this shouldn't take too long. There's not too many indicators. Just a lot of news and stuff news and downgrades. But not too many indicators. That shouldn't take too long. Maybe 25, 30 minutes. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. Yolo's pretty good today. A lot of lost core and a lot of memes. So, yeah, today should be a pretty chill show. I'm thinking 2 hours today. Thinking 2 hours. Fridays are usually the best day for chatting. And today was a major green day. So I do expect a lot of people coming in. Although right now it doesn't appear like there's too many people. But hopefully picks up later. But yeah, probably 2 hours today. Which means probably 2.5. But yeah, so not too much to go over today, but yeah, 5 minor articles, Amazon TA, and Yolos. So thank you everyone for joining me, and let's get started. And of course, we'll be doing our live rainbow bearing and all that good stuff during the show. All right, and before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. Let's go. Tom Brady got divorced today. Yeah, I did see that. Pretty sad. But I can't blame the man, you know? He still wants to play football, and she don't want him to play football, so agree to disagree. And I think she's richer than him, actually, so she's not even going to take his money or anything. But maybe he'll play better now. What up, Team Crawford? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Darth Vader just got arrested for DUI? Who's Darth Vader? You mean meet Kevin? Okay. James Earl James? You talking about the guy who played Darth Vader or meet Kevin? Okay, good to know. Brady can marry my cousin in VN. Was that Vietnam? Yeah, you can get like 10 wives there. You can get 20 wives. You can do whatever you want. Star Wars guy. Okay. Then isn't he old though? Isn't Darth Vader like mad old now? Okay. So let's start off with a scan. See if anything's going on. Get my live rainbow bear on. Not seeing anything. Okay, looks like nothing so far. SATX, by the way, major runner today. Okay. Cool. Don't see anything, so we'll get on to my plays today. So today a pretty slow day, but I did do pretty decently. Alright, so MULN Mullen. So this one I did, so it's now at 51-ish, 50.5. So I was up more earlier, but I did make 120 today on that as of right now, so not complaining. I'll be honest, it's holding up pretty well. It's slowly going down, but it's holding up pretty well. I did not expect this. So I'm still going to hold it through next week. Hopefully, you know, it crashes, it goes. But I am surprised. The apes are putting up a good fight here. But inevitably, we don't know how this is going to end, so. But yeah, still in there. Yeah, down or up 110 now on that. PCVX, this one's still not going good. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I'm down 135 on that today. Just keeps going up and down 715 overall. So I don't want to cut it, but if it keeps going like this, I probably have to. But yeah, down 135 there. HTCR, actually APDN. So I finally covered that one today at 155. Caught the bottom. So I was bag holding that for a long time. 100% bag hold. 100% loss there was bag holding, and I finally cut for like $15 profit, small profit. So unloaded a huge bag there. SMTS, or let's do HTCR. HTCR, so shorted this one yesterday. I thought I got a great entry at like 190, and I was up a lot more before. I think it came down to 140 in the 140s. Now it finishes at 170. So I'm actually down 210 on that today, but I'm still going to hold that. Still a lot of downside to go. So yeah, I think SPY just really held up everything here. And the last one, SMTS, shorted this one today at 36 cents, I think. I posted on Discord, so I shorted that one 36 cents, and I covered at 20 cents. Also caught the bottom there, and I think I made like 450, something like that. But yeah, overall today I'm up 335 as of right now. So, you know, I was up like 600-700 earlier. So lost a little money there, lost a couple $100, but you know, certainly not complaining. I'll take $300, $340. Not a bad day, not a bad day. So, yeah, everyone's eating. Bulls eating lately. Bears eating. Everyone's eating. Plenty to get for everyone. Okay. Cool. Let's get to the watch list now. Oops, gotta silence my phone here. All right. Shiba and Doge, nice. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I'm still holding a pretty big bag there, but oops. Uh-oh. I had TikTok on. I didn't want to get copyright. All right, let's get to the watch list here. All right, so the Dow Jones up 2.59%, NASDAQ up 3.17%, and the S&P up 2.38%. Major gain here today. Wow. I don't know when the last time we had a day this good was. This is some major tendies for the Bulls, and even the Bears. All right, so VIX is down 6%, 5.99%, down 1.64 points. So we're at 25.75 VIX now. Still not the best, but pretty big pullback in the VIX here. That's exactly what we needed, and still not out of the woods just yet. But we are making progress slowly. So hopefully we were at 30 something not too long ago. So now we're in the mid 20s. Hopefully we can get down to 20 and lower in the short term here. Okay. So let's actually start on the red side. I don't think there's that much on the red side. Yeah, not much. So, yeah, biggest loser, Amazon. That is crazy. When the biggest loser on your watch list is Amazon, bruh. So, yes, hot stock today, Amazon, they had earnings, and we're going to do the TA on Amazon very shortly here after crypto and the news. And Bed Bath & Beyond, getting wrecked down to 460, down 7.83%. Mullen, honorable mention. That's still a hot stock, but like I said, inevitably, can't talk today. Eventually, the apes are gonna lose. So putting up a good fight though. Respect, mad respect. They're putting up a fight, but this ain't gonna end well. What else we got here? Alibaba, AVCT, really not much. Chinese stuff, Neo, Wish, IMPP, PayPal. Really not much here. So, yeah, literally just like Amazon is the only thing in the red today, and a few other random stuff. But definitely Amazon. Biggest loser. And on the green side, wow, Intel, big day there, 10.7%. GME, big day, 8.65%. Pinterest, 14%. And Apple, yes, Apple really holding up the market. Not by itself, but, yeah, Apple, wow. What a stock. What a stock. So Apple's up 7.56% today. Insane. Absolutely insane. They got T-Mobile, 7.4%. AMD, 5.8%. NVIDIA, 5%. Microsoft 4, Ally 4. I thought DWAC went down because of Twitter. Guess not. Yeah, not much price action down here, but good mix of growth and value. Yes, Exxon, Boeing, Costco, Morgan Stanley, Tilray, everything in the green here. Dollar General, Costco, Lockheed Martin, Cisco, Peloton, everything. So I'm not going to spend too much time here. That's it. But, yep, so, not much in the red. Literally just Amazon and pretty much everything in the green. So everyone's winning here today, or should be at least. Boomers winning, Apes winning, Rainbow Bears winning, everyone winning. Tendies for everyone. You get tendies, you get tendies, you get tendies. Everyone gets tendies. Cool. So, if you guys did not make tendies today, I feel really, really bad for you. Okay, let's get to crypto. 1 second here. Let me pull it up and pull up the news articles as well. Oh, we should know the scan as well. All right. News. All right, while that loads up, oops, wrong button. While that loads up, let me check YouTube. All right, we're at 4 viewers, 4 likes. So, interesting. I thought today would be, more people would join the show today because it's Friday and Big Green Day, but, oh well, whatever. Appreciate everyone who's here. Don't mind the, ambulance.
I appreciate you.
Mute real quick. My apologies, guys. Okay, all done loading. I don't know why my not getting too many frames here. My computer's not. My computer's doing fine. Interesting. Hopefully that fixes itself. Alright, so appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. There's definitely some people who did not hit the like button yet. Okay. Let's get to crypto. So here's crypto. That is up 1.24% today. So not the biggest day here in crypto, but hey, I'll take it. Pretty good day. So when SPY does better than crypto, it was a great day in the stock market. But yeah, let's check it out. So it looks like a slightly bullish day here in crypto. Bitcoin up 1.1%. At 20,000, it's pushing 20,700 now. Ether up 2.4%, pushing 1,600. Binance 4.8%, XRP 1.2, Cardano 3.3. This is some pretty good price action. Is this right? Is 1.24% right? This doesn't seem right. It should be more than that, it seems like. Anyway, Solana 5.25%, Doge 6.6%, and up 43% for the week, Doge. Thank you, Elon. Sheeb 8.9%. I don't see much red. But yeah, we got Litecoin, Ether Classic, FTX, Chronos, all the values in the green. Where's the red? Is this right? 1.24%. I think it should be higher than that. What's on the red side? Alright, so yeah, really not much in the red. We can count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 90 coins in the red. We'll just call it 10% of the coins in the red. 10% of the coins in the red. And not much price action. Biggest loser is Binary X. I have no idea what that is. 5.2%. Nothing in the double digits. And there's no value in the red. So this is I don't know. I don't know why this is only 1.24% in the green. It really should be higher than that. This was a pretty bullish day for crypto. Well, I guess there just wasn't too much price action. All right, I guess it makes sense. I still think it should probably be more, but yeah. So most of the coins in the green here, 90% of the coins in the green, but not too much price action. Biggest gainer is SHIB, 9%. Nothing in the double digits, but there is a lot of value here. SHIB, Cosmos, Avalanche, Toncoin, Doge, Binance, everything. So yeah. At first look, it looked like crypto was really bullish, but I see what's going on here. It's just not much price action, but most of the coins in the green, value in the green, so that would do it. That would make crypto go up 1.24% today. Although again, I do think it should have been higher, but whatever. Not complaining. So there you have it, guys. Really great day in the stock market. Pretty good day here in crypto. So overall, congrats to everyone. Hope you guys made some fat tennies. All right, let's get on to the news. So once again, guys, we have 5 articles. One about Binance and Twitter. One about Lugano and El Salvador. One about Fry's DAO hack. One about home sales in the past month. And one about Paul Pelosi. All right, let's do it. First one, Binance will help Elon Musk use crypto to battle Twitter bots. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange is creating an internal team to focus on how crypto can help Twitter. Okay, where the hell did this come from? That's cool, though. So they're investing $500 million to bridge social media, news, and Web3. So it's very vague. And honestly, I'm not too into the technical side of this. So I don't really understand it. But yeah, apparently Binance is investing $500 million into Twitter and going to help them fight the bots. So it sounds bullish. I'm not sure how practical or feasible it is, but it sounds bullish. So good for Binance, good for Twitter. Good for Elon Musk. And good for Doge and SHIB. And Shiba Inu. And what is this? Floki Inu? Yeah, Floki Inu. Haven't heard that one in a while. So yeah, Elon Musk officially Twitter CEO. All right, next one. Pro-crypto city, Lugano, and El Salvador sign economic agreement based on adoption. As part of the agreement, El Salvador will establish a physical government presence in an effort to foster cooperation with educational and research institutions. Okay, so again, I'm not really an expert on the technical side, and I really don't even... It's very vague. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, apparently... Yeah, so it is in Switzerland. So yeah, El Salvador and Lugano gonna work together to promote crypto, and use crypto in their cities and countries. So yeah, El Salvador's been getting wrecked on crypto lately, but you got to think long term. Although the citizens are probably pretty pissed at the president. But long-term plan, and he's staying firm. He's like, we're in this. We believe in crypto, and we're not going anywhere. So respect to El Salvador and the president. All right, next one. Fry's DAO hacked for $2.3 million in latest profanity exploit. All right, Fry's DAO wallet was hacked for $2.3 million exploit, according to security firm Certic. The DAO's deployer wallet was generated with an insecure tool called Profanity. Okay, so let's see here. So that's not too bad, 2.3 million. We've seen 9-figure hacks before. So compared to other hacks, this isn't too bad, but that still sucks. So yeah, they were exploited and swapped for USDC and sold into Uniswap. So we're not going to get into the technical side of how this happened. But yeah, I don't even know what Fry's DAO is, but that sucks. And hopefully they can offer the guy a bounty and get most of the money back, or he's probably just going to keep it for himself. But really sad stuff, and this is just completely normal now. It's like every day, every other day, it's another hack. So, you know, my heart goes out to the community, the investors. I hope they work it out. But yeah, small crypto project here, Fry's DEO, getting hacked, 2.3 million. All right, two more. Pending home sales fell 10% in September, much worse than expected. This is probably the most relevant article. Pending home sales suffered a worse decline than expected from August to September as mortgage rates surged. Economists had predicted a 4% drop. Sales were down 31% year over year. Excluding April 2020 at the start of the COVID... Oop, I just let one slip. Don't ban me, YouTube. Excluding April 2020 at the start of the C-19 pandemic, the pending home sales index is at its lowest since June 2010. Okay, wow. Yeah, so 4%, 4% expected, and the actual was 31%. So, you know, real estate's like the last asset to go, but eventually it was going to happen. And yeah, you can't get a mortgage anymore. Well, you can. It's just pretty ridiculous. There's no, you really shouldn't get a mortgage right now. So yeah, real estate not doing too good. Whole economy not doing too good. But then, watch. Pivot, money printer on. Who knows? What is happening with the market? What is happening with the economy? I don't know, but you know what? I love all the volatility. Great for swing trading, day trading. All right, last article. And this is pretty surprising. Intruder at Pelosi home shouted, "Where is Nancy?" before assaulting husband with hammer, source says. Paul Pelosi, the husband of House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, was violently assaulted by an assailant who broke into the couple's San Francisco home, the Speaker's office said. The assailant was searching for the House Speaker, shouting, "Where is Nancy? Where is Nancy?" before assaulting Paul Pelosi, a source briefed on the attack told CNBC. The suspect, who was in custody, used a hammer in the attack. Okay. Yeah, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. So the guy got attacked and he wasn't even the target. This guy's been down pretty bad lately, huh? He got DUI and now he's getting attacked. So I hope he's okay. There's not too much information. Damn, he's 82? Bruh. How are you just gonna beat an old man like that? That's messed up. With a hammer? What the hell? Alright, so 42-year-old David DePape? Yeah, elder abuse. Oop, I think I let that one slip too. Anyway, bunch of felonies. Oh, it says Paul Pelosi expected to make full recovery. Alright, so that's good. I don't know how hurt he got, but I hope he's okay. But it says he's going to make full recovery, so that's good at least. You know, so I'm not the biggest fan of the Democratic Party, but, you know, no one should, this is too far. You can't be doing stuff like this. This is messed up. But yeah, this is some pretty big news here. This is some pretty big news. Paul Pelosi getting attacked. What up, Mitchell? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. We still on for Vegas, bro. Every day it gets better. I did not see it today, but hey, that's awesome. We'll check it out here in a second because we're just done with the articles. So yeah, guys, there's the articles for today. Kind of minor news, nothing too crazy. Well, this one is, I'd say this one, Paul Pelosi, and the housing stuff is the most relevant. But nothing too crazy here. Did you hear who the CEO of Twitter might be? No. Who is it going to be? It's Elon for now, but he's going to replace, he's going to put someone, a new CEO. No, I didn't. Who is it going to be? Kanye? Imagine. All right, so let's do one more scan. And then we'll look at MMTLP for, I want to see what that is for Mitchell. And then we'll do Amazon here. All right, so I'm not seeing much going on. Matt Wallace? Who's Matt Wallace? I don't know who that is. It sounds familiar, though. Or one of the O's, sorry, not CEO. Yeah, one of the executive positions. I think Elon's CEO. I don't know if he's gonna give it up or what, but he's right now he's CEO. All right, not seeing anything here. Okay, no aftermarket action. Let's look at MMTLP. Oh, wow, it's going back up. Wow. All right, so respect for to everyone who diamond handed this. That is nuts. That is nuts. All right. Well, congrats to you, Mitchell. Yeah, I probably would have sold, but yo, mad respect, mad respect. Just be careful at this point, because it is starting to look bearish again. RSI at 75, so overbought, overvalued right now. Cup and handle forming. So I would say just have an exit plan. But yeah, mad respect for diamond handing, and I'm glad it worked out. Hope it keeps pumping too. Matt Wallace is the guy who always pumps Doge. Check him out when you get a chance. Okay. That's like cool, and I have concerns at the same time. I don't think a Doge pumper should be the CEO of Twitter, but at the same time, I'm not opposed because I need to empty the bag. I need to unload the bag. So, okay, whatever. We'll see how it goes. I'm balls deep. I want it all. All right, man. Yeah. So I'm not sure how much you're in for, but you don't have to say. But yeah, dude. Congrats to you. Glad you're printing attendees. But just don't get too greedy. Just have an exit plan. At some point, you got to cash out. But I hope it keeps running in the short term for your sake. Okay. Oops. Amazon. Okay. All right, guys. So we're doing really good on time here. It is 4:36. Yeah, we're like 25 minutes ahead of schedule. So we might get out of here by 5:30. Actually, I thought it was gonna be 6:30. We're probably gonna get out of here at 5:30. Which is fine. I just thought today was gonna be longer. I thought it was gonna be more people, but that's all right. Appreciate everyone who's here. Appreciate everyone who's here. The shares are free from MMAT. Yeah, dude, I know. Did you get wrecked on MMAT, though? So it kind of balances out? I don't know. But yeah, I remember, dude. That was way back. Way back. In the beginning of the show. Last year. Okay. So yeah, this shouldn't take too long. Maybe 25, 30 minutes. Hopefully we don't get interrupted too much here. So let's bang this Amazon TA out, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. What happened to Twitter? It went private. Elon Musk bought it and took it private, so it's no longer on the stock exchange. Private company now. And he said he's going to unban everyone, and he's doing his own thing now. Okay, cool. Let's do it. What happened to people's shares? They got sold for 50, whatever it was, 54.20, I think. 54.20. They automatically sold, and you got cash. For whatever the price was. I think it was 54.20. Okay, let's do it. So here's AMZN, Amazon. This finishes at $103 today. This finishes at $103 today. That is down 6.8%.
And it's gone.
So we haven't discussed Amazon in a while here. Probably in a few months. But we did get major price action today. And let's see here. And this was number 4 on StockTwits today. had over 8,500 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. Hot stock today. For the wrong reasons. So there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. We did have earnings, news, and price downgrades. So let's check that all out. Okay. So let's start with the earnings. EPS was 28 cents, which beat the estimate of 20 cents. So huge EPS beat there. Revenue was 127.1 billion, which missed the estimate of 127.47 billion. So slight revenue miss. And the guidance was 140 billion to 148 billion versus the estimate of 155.15 billion. So the earnings actually weren't that bad. They were pretty good, actually. I would say average, above average. But the guidance, not looking so good. We have some minor news here. The company said there is weakness in Europe compared to the USA. They're preparing for a slow growth period. They're going to invest $1 billion into their employees over the next year. They're going to hire another 150,000 workers. And they say that Amazon Web Services is doing really well. So it sounds like they're not selling as much stuff. But they're doing well in other categories. Okay. And then we got a bunch of price downgrades and institutions pulling their money out here. Probably because of the bad guidance. Okay. So we got... I was blasting his music outside. So we got Monness, Crespi, Hart. Downgrades to 135. JP Morgan, 145. Bernstein, 125. Wolf, 130. Credit Suisse, 142. Atlantic, 120. Telsey, 140. Wells Fargo, 155. Jefferies, 135. Oppenheimer, 130. Barclays, 140. Raymond James, 130. Mizuho, 130. Bank of America, 135. Citi, 145. Baird, 130. RBC, 135. Truist, 160. Needham, 120. Deutsche, 130. Cohen, 150. Wedbush, 140. Morgan Stanley, 140. D.A. Davidson, 114. Piper Sandler, 125. Benchmark, 125. And Goldman Sachs, 175. Okay. That was a lot. Let's see here. 114, I think, is the low. And what's the high? 160? 175. Okay. So we have a pretty wide range of price targets here. On the lower end we have 114, and on the higher end we have 175. But overall, the institutions are still pretty bullish on this stock. They all think it's worth more than it's currently at, although they all pulled their money today. So yeah, decent earnings, but bad guidance. Not the greatest news. And as a result, a lot of institutions pulling their money out. And that is why the stock is down so much today. So it's been a pretty rough year for the stock. But now would be a good time to load up and buy the dip, which we'll get to in a second here. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. All right, let's see. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. I can't say where the bottom of the cup is because this is making lower lows, but there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 120. Uh, 123. 125. 131. 137. 147. 189. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this should eventually come back up to the high of 189. 189. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. And then we have multiple gap downs. 5 gap downs here. First gap down was back at... First gap down created today. First gap down was created today back at 110. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 110 to fill that gap. Second gap down back at 115, another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 115 to fill this gap. Third gap down back at 134, another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 134 to fill this gap. Did I miss one here? 137.91. Yeah, I guess there is. Okay. Fourth gap down back at 138. Another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 138 to fill this gap. And the final gap down was back at 163. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 163 to fill this gap. So 5 gap downs, extremely bullish. What up, Machete? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like. Please smash the like button, please. Thank you. Hell yeah, Elon cleaned house on Twitter. Lol. Yeah, we got a meme about that later. But yeah, he fired everyone. He ain't playing around. Okay. What we got here? MACD, RSI, MACD. That's it. Okay. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 33, so not quite oversold and undervalued just yet, but it is quickly approaching that. So the RSI is currently a bullish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 103 should be a lot higher. Well, let's do the MACD. And on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Okay. Change some stuff back here. Here we have a descending channel forming. Here we have a descending channel forming. Where the upper channel is currently at 107 and the lower channel is currently at 98. So if this breaks 107 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this breaks if this breaks 98 to the downside, that'd be bearish. So right now the descending channel is a neutral indicator. And can go either way. And ascending. And here we have an ascending channel forming, where the upper channel is currently at 125 and the lower channel is at 117. So if this broke 125 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this broke 117 to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did in fact break 117 to the downside. So the ascending channel is currently a bearish indicator. Okay, I think I got everything there. Yes. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Made like 20% on Apple YOLO call, lol. Nice, dude. Congrats to you. Yeah, everyone pretty much made money today. It's pretty hard not to make money today. Even as a bear. Congrats to you, dude. Okay, let's see. So right now this is sitting on the support of 103, which it finished the round today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 105. Yeah, let's redo that. Yeah, okay. 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. This is pretty much like going in ones. Yeah, pretty much is. Yeah. So we don't need to go over every support and resistance because it literally... So we don't need to go through all the resistance because literally every new resistance is just $1 higher than the last. It goes from 100, 101, 102, 103, etc., etc. Yeah. So actually, both sides. So we don't even really need to do all the support. So we really don't even need to go through all the support and resistance here, because they pretty much move in increments of $1. It goes 100, 101, 102, 103, etc., etc. To the upside and to the downside, it goes 89. Or excuse me, it goes 98, 96, 95, 94, 93, etc., etc. Okay. So right now at the current price, 103, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action, either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 100 to the downside, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 100 to the downside. And this did 223 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 70 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. All right. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So again, it's been a really rough year for this stock, and really, for the whole market, especially tech. But this is Amazon, very blue chip value stock. It's not going anywhere. This is just a difficult time. Let's see here. Okay. So again, we do have more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, RSI, 5 gap downs. We have bearish indicators in the MACD and ascending channel, and we have one neutral indicator in the descending channel. And the bullish indicators are very strong. So technically, based on the charts here, the stock does look very bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Looks like a pretty good play to me. Maybe not just yet, because this is still a falling knife, and it'll probably pull back a little bit more. I would apply the 3-day rule here, which for everyone who doesn't know, is when a stock gets wrecked, you should probably wait a few days before you enter on the long side. But yeah, you really can't go too wrong here. Let's see. This is an excellent buying opportunity. So again, in the longer term, this should come back up to 163 to fill the gap there, and from the current price of 103. Let's see. Yeah, let's call it 160. 60. So from the current price of 103, that would be about a 60% upside potential. Let's see here. And it's kind of difficult to tell how much this may pull back, but we do have some pretty critical support here at 102. So let's just call 102 the bottom. And from the current price of 103, that's barely anything. So this really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. This is getting a bit ridiculous. So I would say going long at the current price, 103 would be a low risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong here. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you buy and hold for the long term, this will pay off. So I can support going long at the current price, 103. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Excuse me, guys. For all the same reasons that going long is a good play right now, going short is a really bad play. Again, more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. Strong bullish indicators. The hedge funds think it's worth more. The hedge funds think the stock is worth more than it's currently at. I should have said that also before. The hedge funds think that the stock is worth more than it's currently at. Yearly low. Blue chip value stock. Again, in the longer term, this should eventually come back up to 163, which would be about a 60% upside potential. And again, this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside because there is critical support at 102. So I would say going short at the current price, 103 would be a high risk, low reward play. Not worth it, in my opinion. You should have went short anywhere in the $180 range, all the way down to 120, really. All the way down to 120. And here at 103, it's a bit too late to go short. You're probably going to get burned. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I really don't see why to go short here. Seems like a really bad idea. You'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to a massive amount of upside risk. So I don't like the current entry of 103 on the short side. But I will say, if/when this does come back up to any of the gaps, I think those would be some excellent entries to short this down. Although personally, I would never short a blue chip value stock. So in summary, guys, it's been a really rough year for this stock. And just the overall markets and tech in general. Not the greatest earnings today. Not the greatest earnings and news today. A lot of hedge funds pulling their money. But now, this appears to be an excellent buying opportunity. So as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. And I really don't see a reason why you'd go short here. Really bad idea. Really bad idea. Please don't do that, guys. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMZN, Amazon. All right. Cool. Oh, wow, we got some comments. All right, got to catch up. So, we're doing really good on time here. It's 5:03, and we're already done with the TA, so we should be out of here in like 20 minutes. We just got the Yolos left. So I did not expect today's show to be so short, but that's cool. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Made $80 on AMD call because Ty knows his poop. Did I say AMD was gonna moon or something? I don't even remember what the hell I'd be saying. So like, you guys are like, thanks for telling me this yesterday and this, and I'm like, what the hell did I say? I don't know what I said. I don't even remember, bro. I'll be looking at so many stocks. But hey, I'm glad you made money there. Congrats to you. I'll take credit for that. My call went from minus 47% to plus 20% today, so I took it. Lol, exact same gain to $80. Yeah, congrats to you, Machete. Everyone's printed today. Everyone. MACD about to cross up Amazon? Yeah, MACD did just cross, so that's... But everything else is pretty bullish. Can you look at Meta? We did it yesterday, dude. I just put out the video a couple hours ago, actually. So we can look at it again, but if you want like a full TA, I literally analyzed it yesterday. So just view the video that I put out like a couple hours ago. But yeah, Meta is pretty much the same thing. Looks really bullish. A lot of gap downs, low RSI, 25 RSI, cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders. And it is Meta, you know? Blue chip value stock. So Meta sucks, but Instagram and WhatsApp are good. Which they own. But yeah, you know, it's like pretty much the same thing as Amazon. This is ridiculous. Goodbye right here, I would say. Not financial advice. And the dip just keeps on dipping. QNGY still mooning? Nice. Are you guys still in that or what? Looks like it bottomed out, in my opinion. 4-hour MACD, FTSO, and RSI about to curve up. On what? Meta? Well, it should start to bottom out pretty soon, yes. So the 3-day rule would be tomorrow. Or Monday. Yeah, it should start to reverse soon. So good luck to you there. I wouldn't go with options, but I think this is a good time to buy stock. Okay, guys. So let's do one more scan. And then I'll pull up the Yolos. And we'll do that and finish the show here. Really, really quick show. Alright, I'm not seeing anything. That sucks. Let's refresh here. Market Chameleon. But I don't think there's any aftermarket action. Not yet, at least. Yep, not seeing anything. Damn, bro. HTCR is back up to 173. Bro. 260. So how much am I up now? So I was up like 800 before, and I'm only up 300. Ass, bro. Whatever. Okay. One second, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before we end the show. Okay. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, let's give this a minute to finish loading. And we'll finish up the show with the Yolos here. Meta options is so volatile, you can make good money. Same Netflix options. Yeah, but it's volatile, then the IV is high, right? So then you're paying extra when you shouldn't be. It's good to sell options then, if the IV is high. Super expensive though. Yeah, because the IV is high. So that's a good time. This is a good time to sell puts, actually. That's what I would do. I'd probably sell puts. Or covered calls. Or both. So, but you guys know how I feel about buying options. I'm not the biggest fan. So, but yeah, you know, with high IV like this, you should definitely be selling options, in my opinion. Only bad thing is that also requires a lot of capital, so not many people can do that. So it's like, what, 100 times 100, so you need... Yeah, never mind. You need $10,000 to sell one put. So if anything, I just go with shares. But good luck to you, dude. Alright, all loaded up. Let's go. Okay, guys. So today, this should be fun. We have 11 Yolos, a lot of memes, a lot of lost corn, and I think some gain corn as well. Good stuff today. Let's do it. First one by Stonk Only Go Up. My man is back and smiling. Good days are here again. Santa Rally. So here's the man, the myth, the legend himself, Peter Zuckman. And he's happy. Yes. Happy that he's back. Yeah. The bullish indicator, the legend himself. So, yep, he's back, and today was a massive rally. Santa rally. We're not even at the turkey rally yet, dude. We're not even at the Halloween rally. So we need pumpkin rally, turkey rally, and then Santa rally. How about that? I think there's some holidays in there, right? Some Jewish holidays, or I don't even know. Yeah, Hanukkah rally. Gotta be careful, because everything's anti-Semitic nowadays. All right. So yeah, appreciate this guy. Legend himself, Peter Tuchman. I don't know who this guy is, but he's happy too. Everyone's happy today. Everyone's making tendies. I was up a lot more, but at least I'm still making tendies today. Can't complain. All right, by Hudweiser07. Live scenes from Twitter HQ right now. So where's this from? This meme. Some Roman Spartan show. Some Greek Roman Spartan show. I have no idea. But yeah, Elon Musk. Everyone's getting fired. You get fired, you get fired, you get fired. Everyone's getting fired. The man's doing his thing. Like a boss. Gladiator? Is that where it's from? I guess so. I don't really watch TV or news, but thanks for that. So we'll just call it Gladiator meme. And Paul Thomas, I don't think I've seen you here before, so welcome to the show. Appreciate you. Joaquin Phoenix? I haven't seen it, but I'll take your word for it. Anyway, yep, Elon doing his thing. Running Twitter now. Alright, by GodMode92. My God, Apple is unstoppable. Yep, the entire stock market, Apple. Apple holding up the whole market. So, not literally today, but a lot of times it does. But today it definitely played it smart. I wonder how much... Actually, I wonder how much the SPY would be up if Apple and NASDAQ, if Apple was not doing so good today, if it didn't go up 7%. But, yeah, so not completely accurate. Everything was up today, but yeah, Apple definitely... definitely playing a big role. Thanks, just seeing this vid pop up at the end of my vid, so just clicking for a look. Yeah, welcome, dude. Consider liking and subscribing. Yeah, we do this every day, you know, when the market closes. So thanks for checking me out, dude. Pause. And you're unemployed, you're unemployed, you're unemployed, everyone's unemployed. Everyone gets unemployment. Oh no, not everyone gets unemployment, but everyone is unemployed. Yep. Alright, by Sammy Testarossa. Don't knock something you can't handle. Okay. So, yeah, here's the Grim Reaper meme. So, yeah, it was Microsoft. Hold up here. Microsoft. Google. Meta. Apple. Uh-oh, hold up. Not today, not today. Nope, not Apple. So, yep, Apple never fails. Never fails. So not this time. Not today, at least. Alright, by Seven Smokes. Traders getting desperate. Alright, so this is about the Paul Pelosi thing that happened today. So, Paul Pelosi, husband of House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, attacked at home. Do what you want to me, you're not getting any stock tips. I'm terrible. I shouldn't be laughing, but this is hilarious. Imagine. No, it's, so I'm pretty sure the guy was looking for Nancy Pelosi, and she wasn't home, so he beat this guy up instead. Why would you beat this guy up? Like, if you're looking for his wife, and he's there, why don't you just leave? Why do you gotta beat him up for? He's an old man, dude. Anyway. Or, maybe he was trying to get the stock tips all along. Anyway, yeah, hope he recovers, Paul Pelosi. You know, this is pretty funny, but this is actually not something to really joke about. I hope he recovers, and, this is pretty funny, though. Apple, nah, fam? Yeah, like Chief Heath. Nah. Not today, Satan. Yep. Try again. Try again next time. Alright, enough of the memes. Let's get to the corn today. We got 6 more. By These Hornet 920. So we definitely reviewed this guy yesterday. So here's an update. Today marks 17 consecutive green days in October. Alright, so, this actually doesn't look that stupid. This actually looks like this guy knows what he's doing. This guy looks like he, I don't know if he day trades options or what. But this is not your typical, like, options graph. This looks like a day trading graph, actually. But he has options here. I don't know what he did. But it says SPY options here. Oh, he sold calls. All right, I got it. All right, that makes sense. Yes. So, these are not options. He's selling options, and I think he's day trading. But what the actual hell? No, there has to be options. Unless he just has insider information. Because in the past month, he's up 493K. Alright, so this is where it doesn't make sense to me. How do you turn 108K into 600K in 1 month? I mean, it's legit. You can see the graph right there, but... Bruh, how?
Bruh.
Like, it has to be options, but the graph does not look like options. So I'm really curious here. I'm really, really curious what he did. Unless the guy legit day trades options, and he's good at it, which I've never seen anyone do before. Maybe, like, 1 or 2 people here and there, but day trading options is not easy, and, you're probably gonna fail at that. Anyway. Yes, I don't know what he did, but... Legend. I need skills like this. Please teach me. Okay. So yeah, I really wish I knew what the actual play was. But hey, these Hornet920, thanks for hosting. Thanks for the update. You're a legend, dude. You're a legend. So I don't know what you did, but I really want to know. It has to be options, right? It looks like day trading options. It has to be. But I really want to know. But hey, appreciate you. Congrats on the gains. Good luck. And looking forward to more posts in the future. Alright, by Intelligent Choice 48. So another update here. 330,000 meta calls. Back in the green, plus 28,000. Alright. So this is an update from yesterday. Yeah, this guy... So, I don't know what he was down, but the guy printed 28K today. Nice. Alright, so he's 105, 90, and 90 strikes for November 18th. So, like 3 weeks to go. And it's sitting at, what, like 100 now. So, this is actually pretty legit. This is not like... This is clearly not crayon eating ape stuff. This is well planned and executed. And, so yeah, I like the strikes. Expiration, not the best, but good enough. And we'll see how the timing goes. So yeah, this guy, Intelligent Choice, local legend. I was very scared for him. Very scared for this guy yesterday. But it's working out right now. So good luck to you. Don't be afraid to hit the sell button. Congrats on attending so far. Hope it works out. And yeah, please post an update, dude. Want to see how it goes. Smart Ape. Yes, Smart Ape. Alright, there's all the gain coin. Let's get to the lost coin now. By Slow Down More. There goes all my money. Thanks, Meta. Alright, so, yeah. There goes his whole account. So, all time, he's down 100%. $74,000.
And it's gone.
Yes, blame Meta. Blame Meta. Not yourself. It's not my fault. I'm a genius. It's Meta's fault. Oh, boy. So, yeah. Typical, so this is not Smart Ape. This is Dumb Ape. This is Stupid Ape. Which is most of the apes. Yes. Not the ape's fault. Meta's fault. Zuck's fault. So, I don't know why you YOLO your whole account. I don't think he YOLO'd his whole account. I think he just kept gambling and tried to dig himself out of a hole, and now he's done. Now he blew up his account. So this is a great example of what you should not do, guys. Don't attempt to day trade options or swing trade options, unless you got it like that. And if you're down, don't try to dig yourself out of a hole with more options. I've seen it over and over again. It rarely works. Sometimes it does, but yeah, and then when it does, yeah, I'm a genius. It wasn't luck, right? Reverse. Anyway, so not sure what he did, but well, I think he just kept buying meta calls or something. That's what it seems like. Anyway, so slow down more. Thanks for posting. You should slow down, dude. But there's no more to slow down. It's all gone. But yeah, dude. Terrible play. I don't know what you did, but terrible play. I'm assuming it's meta calls over and over and over and over again. And, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. So I don't feel too bad at all. So hopefully you come back smarter next time and make good decisions. Or just don't come back at all. You know what'd be good for this guy? SPY and bonds. And here's another guy. By only requirement, 7481. I'm convinced it's the same guy. Under a different account. Because he doesn't want to look stupid. But yeah, there goes all my money. Thanks, Apple. What? He bought Apple puts? What do you do? Alright, so all time down 100%. 23K. So not as bad as the other guy, but... You know what? I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. Because the other guy lost, what, 74? And this guy lost, like, 23. So 100K total, approximately. I think it's the same guy. Who knows? So yeah. Again, not really sure what he did, but I'm assuming Apple puts. Apple puts. Wow, and actually it spiked, then he lost it all. So, yeah. Not gonna repeat myself, but pretty much the same thing as last time. You know, this is what happens when you keep gambling. You try to dig yourself out of a hole with more options. It never ends well. Well, not never, but usually doesn't end well. And at least this wasn't as bad as 73K, 74K, but yeah, this is not investing. This is gambling. And you apes are going to lose your money. Most likely. So here's another example. And you apes you see this over and over and over. You see all the apes losing their money, and you think you're the genius ape that's gonna break the cycle, right, bro?
Bruh.
Check Discord. All right, we'll get to that after we're done here. I'm also gonna make a side note, guys. I'm gonna make a day trading. I'm gonna create a day trading channel on Discord. So we're gonna separate general and day trading. Because a lot of people, don't day trade it. It's just a lot in the general chat. So I'm gonna make some changes to Discord over the weekend. He should have followed Smart Ape. And he said it the same way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same. It's the same dumb ape. Yes. The chart looks like a short squeeze on the right. Yeah, short. Yep. Pump and dump. Exactly. Looks like Bed Bath & Beyond. Looks like GameStop. AMC. This doesn't look like GameStop. It looks like AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond. And do a section to post gains? I never thought of that, but alright, sure, dude. I mean, I posted on TikTok and YouTube already, but you want me to take a screenshot or just, like, type it out? Okay, dude. I mean, sure. I never thought about that, but, sure. We'll take that into consideration. Alright, so, yeah, only requirement 7481, or you're the other guy in disguise, I'm pretty sure. Yep, so again, not your fault, Apple's fault. So, yeah. Again, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Totally your fault. I don't feel bad. How can you... Why didn't you just buy calls? Dude, you should have bought calls. Why would you buy puts on Apple, dude? Whatever. Thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Good luck to you. No, in Discord. Yeah, I understand. In the Discord. But I'm saying, should I post a screenshot or should I just type it out? I mean, I can, but it's not necessary, I don't think, because I post videos of this stuff. But if you want it, sure, I'll put it in there. What up, Busy Bone? Been a minute, dude. Welcome back.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Apple puts NGMI. What's NGMI? Is that a ticker? But appreciate you, dude. Welcome back. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Have a section where you can post a screenshot of any gains people want to show off. Oh, got you. Yes, yes. And losses too. Right. Gain corn, lost corn. We'll have a corn section. Not gonna make it. Oh, got it. Okay. All right, let's move on here. We got two more by Synapse Zero. Am I screwed or am I screwed? Yes. All right, what do we have here? So more Apple. Is this puts? Yeah, Apple puts. So I think this is a $120 Apple put, or 120 strike Apple put, 200 contracts expiring January 20th, 2023. All right, so this was a... Holy crap. This was like a 60K YOLO. 60K YOLO, and he's down 38K. And still has 22K left. 22K left. All right, Apple. 150. Yeah, it's done, dude. No way. 120? Yeah, no way, dude. Hey, you never know, but so you still got about 3 months to go. Yeah, 3 months to go. A little less than that. I mean, I guess anything can happen, but yeah, you're in big trouble here, dude. Again, why do you apes buy Apple puts? It happened with the good guy too. This guy, what's his name? Irony Man? No, it was Control the Narrative. That's how he went good. That's how he lost all his money. He went Apple puts, infinite money glitch leverage. Like, why do you dumb apes keep buying puts on Apple? I don't understand. Why would you bet against Apple? Why would you bet against... Yeah, I don't know. Losing brain cells. Anyway. So, yeah, at this point, you're pretty screwed, and you still got 22K in value here. Hit the sell button. I know it sucks, but if you don't, you're going to lose that too. And that's a lot of money. So, don't be a dumb ape. Be a smart ape. Or just don't be dumb, actually. Just cash out. And make good decisions, not dumb gambles like this. Anyway, so Synapse Zero, thanks for hosting. Yes, you are screwed. Absolutely. 99.9%. And only one thing to do, hit the sell button. Save some money here. Save a lot of money here. Or don't. Be a dumb ape, and don't. Okay, last one. Uh-oh. Terrible timing. Oh, there it goes. Thought my mouse just got deleted. All right, last one. Again, same guy. Only requirement. 7481. So this is the guy who lost on Apple. The other guy who lost on Apple. Lost a lot, lol. Yeah, clearly. Down 10K, past 3 months. And that's his whole account, too.
And it's gone.
Looks like a nice little head and shoulders. That broke out to the downside. So no comment. Dumb ape doing more dumb ape stuff. I didn't even know it was the same guy. But yeah, more dumb ape stuff here. Okay. So that's all the Yolos, guys. Good stuff. It is now 5:28. So yeah, we finished in an hour and a half. I honestly thought we were gonna go like 2 hours, 2.5 hours today. But yeah, short show, and it was a good show. It wasn't like, it was chill, and we got through a lot of stuff. And there is a lot of chatting too. So yeah, I don't even know how we got through all this stuff today. I guess no sirens, no interruptions, nothing like that, staying on topic. Anyway, so last order of business. Let's do one more scan. See if there's anything up, and if not, we'll get out of here. Alright, I do not see anything. How is SATX doing, actually? Is it pulling back? Yeah, it is pulling back a little bit. Yeah, crazy stock today. But other than that, I'm not seeing anything. That's it. All right, so maybe something will happen in the next 2 hours, but all right, whatever. And losses too. Yep, good idea. Okay, cool. All right, guys. So, yep, that is the show for today. So, that was a really good show. Really good show. You know, we got through a lot of stuff very quickly. A lot of chatting. I don't know how we got through that so quickly. We covered a lot of stuff. But, awesome, awesome. So, great way to end the week. Congrats to everyone today. Massive attendees. Hopefully next week we get more attendees. Plenty to go around. Bulls, Bears, everyone eating. But yep, that's the show for today, guys. So enjoy your weekend. I'll see you back here on Monday, and I'll catch you guys on Discord. All right. Adjust this real quick. And thank you to everyone who watched the show today. All the regulars, all the new people, familiar faces that haven't been in a while. Appreciate everyone. Much appreciated. Bots, trolls, everyone. Okay. Good show. Yep. Thank you. Appreciate everyone. Really good show. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.